Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step.
Part 1. Morning Routine.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Ashley.
You look tired. What happened?
I feel so tired. Very, very tired.
Tired? You mean you have no energy?
Yes, no energy. I don't like mornings.
You don't like mornings?
No, mornings are difficult.
Tell me, Tom, what do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up late.
Wake up late? That is not good.
Yes, I know. I wake up late.
And then?
Then I drink coffee. Only coffee.
Only coffee?
Yes, no breakfast, only coffee.
Coffee only. No food?
Right. No food, no breakfast.
And after coffee?
After coffee, I check my phone.
You check your phone?
Yes. I look at messages, I look at videos.
Oh, Tom, that is your routine?
Yes. Wake up late, drink coffee, check my phone.
That sounds like a lazy routine.
Lazy? What does lazy mean?
Lazy means you don't want to work. You don't want to move.
Lazy. Okay, yes, it is a lazy routine.
Tom, routine means the things you do every day.
Routine means the things I do every day.
Exactly. Your morning routine is not healthy.
Not healthy.
Right. You need a better morning routine.
A better morning routine?
Yes, something good for your body and mind.
Body and mind?
Body means your physical health. Mind means your thinking.
Okay. Body. It means health. Mind. It means thinking.
Let's try some new steps.
New steps?
Yes, new steps in your morning.
Okay. What is the first step?
Step 1. Wake up early.
Wake up early. That sounds difficult.
Not too early, just a little earlier.
A little earlier. I can try.
Step 2. Drink water.
Water, not coffee.
First water, then coffee.
First water, then coffee.
Yes, water helps your body wake up.
Helps my body wake up. Okay, water first.
Good. Then you can eat breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yes, some bread, an egg, or fruit.
Bread, egg, fruit. Breakfast.
Breakfast gives you energy.
Energy?
Energy means power for your body.
Power for my body. Okay. Breakfast means energy.
Step 3. Do a little exercise.
Exercise? That sounds scary.
Not scary, Tom. Just simple exercise.
Simple exercise?
Yes. Stretch your arms. Stretch your legs.
Stretch?
Stretch means move your body long.
Move my body long. Okay. Stretch.
Good. Stretch arms, stretch legs. 5 minutes only.
5 minutes only?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
Okay. I will try 5 minutes.
Step 4. Think positive.
Think positive?
Yes. Say something nice to yourself.
Like what?
Say, today will be a good day.
Today will be a good day.
Perfect. That is a positive thought.
Positive thought. Okay.
So, your new morning routine is wake up early, drink water, eat breakfast, do exercise, think positive.
Wake up early, drink water, eat breakfast, do exercise, think positive.
Yes, that is a healthy routine.
Healthy routine. That sounds better.
Not lazy.
Not lazy. Healthy. Okay, I will try. Part 2. Afternoon routine.
Tom, how do you spend your afternoon?
My afternoon? It is boring.
Boring. You mean not interesting?
Yes, not interesting. Very boring.
Tell me, what do you usually do after lunch?
After lunch, I watch videos.
Watch videos?
Yes, I watch many videos.
And then?
Then I take a nap.
Nap.
Yes, a nap. A short sleep in the afternoon.
Oh, I see. A nap means short sleep.
Yes, a short sleep.
And after your nap?
After my nap, I feel lazy.
Lazy again?
Yes, lazy again. No energy.
Oh, Tom, that is not a good routine.
Not good, but easy.
Easy, but not healthy. Let's make your afternoon better.
Better? How?
Step 1. After lunch, rest a little, but do not sleep too long.
Not too long?
Yes, only 15 minutes.
15 minutes nap. Okay.
Step 2. Study a little.
Study? That sounds difficult.
Not difficult. Just listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Yes. For example, listen to English and repeat after it.
Listen, repeat. Okay.
Step 3. Focus.
Focus? What does that mean?
Focus means give attention. Only one thing.
One thing only. Focus. Okay.
Yes. For example, when you read, only read. When you write, only write.
Focus. It means do one thing only.
Exactly. Step 4. Go outside.
Go outside? But why?
Fresh air.
Fresh air?
Fresh air means clean air, not inside air.
Clean air. Okay. Fresh air means clean air.
Yes. Go outside. Walk a little. Look at trees.
Walk, trees, fresh air. That sounds nice.
Step 5. Talk to people.
Talk to people? I feel shy.
Shy means afraid to talk?
Yes, shy. Afraid to talk.
Don't worry. You can talk a little.
Talk a little?
Yes. Say hello. Ask, how are you?
Hello. How are you? Okay, I can try.
So, your new afternoon routine is take a short nap, study English, focus on one thing, go outside, talk to people.
Nap short. Study English. Focus. Outside. Talk.
Perfect. That is better.
That sounds good. Better than before.
Yes, better than before.
Okay, I will try this afternoon.
Good. And Tom, remember, afternoon can be for energy, not for laziness.
Afternoon. It means energy, not laziness.
Exactly.
Part 3. Evening routine.
Tom, tell me about your evening.
My evening? It is not so good.
Not good. Why not?
Because I watch too much TV.
Too much TV.
Yes, I watch TV until midnight.
Midnight? That is very late.
Yes, very late.
And after TV, what do you do?
After TV, I check my phone again.
Phone again?
Yes, I look at videos, messages, games.
Oh, Tom, that is not healthy.
Not healthy, but fun.
Fun for a short time, but bad for your body.
Bad for my body?
Yes. No sleep, no energy. Sleep is very important.
Important.
Yes. Important means very necessary.
Very necessary. Okay. Sleep is important.
Right. Your evening routine must change.
Must change. Okay.
Step 1. Turn off the TV early.
Turn off the TV early? That sounds boring.
Not boring. Helpful.
Helpful?
Helpful means it gives you good results.
Okay. Helpful.
Step 2. Read a book.
A book?
Yes, a story, a short book, or English book.
English book? That sounds difficult.
Not difficult. Easy book. Simple book.
Okay. Simple book. Read a book.
Step 3. Write in a diary.
Diary? What is a diary?
A diary is a small book where you write about your day.
Write about my day?
Yes, write what you did, what you feel.
Okay. A diary means a book about my day.
Exactly. Step 4. Relax.
Relax?
Yes, relax means rest. Feel calm.
Rest, feel calm. Relax, okay.
You can drink warm tea. You can listen to soft music.
Warm tea, soft music. Relax.
Yes. Step 5. Sleep early.
Sleep early?
Yes. Sleep at 10 o'clock, not midnight.
10 o'clock. That is early for me.
Early, but healthy.
Healthy. Okay. I will try.
So, your new evening routine is turn off TV, read a book, write in a diary, relax, sleep early.
Turn off TV, read a book, write diary, relax, sleep early.
Yes, that is a good evening routine.
Good routine. Healthy routine.
Not lazy, not boring. Good for body and mind.
Good for body, good for mind. Okay.
How do you feel about this new routine?
I feel a little nervous, but also curious.
Curious? Curious?
Yes. Curious means I want to try.
Perfect. You are curious. You want to try.
Yes, I want to try. Part 4. Reflection and lesson.
So, Tom, you changed your morning.
Yes, morning routine is better.
You changed your afternoon.
Yes, afternoon routine is better.
You changed your evening.
Yes, evening routine is better.
Tell me, Tom, how do you feel now?
I feel different.
Different.
Yes, different means not the same.
Good. Different how?
I feel more energy.
More energy?
Yes, my body feels strong.
And your mind?
My mind feels calm.
That is great, Tom.
Yes, but it was not easy.
Not easy?
No, wake up early was hard.
Hard means difficult.
Yes, it was difficult.
But you tried.
Yes, I tried.
Tell me, what did you learn?
I learned that small steps make big change.
Small steps?
Yes, one step in the morning, one step in the afternoon, one step in the evening.
And big change?
Yes, big change in my life.
Perfect. Daily routine is powerful.
Powerful? What does that mean?
Powerful means strong, can make a big result.
Okay, daily routine is powerful.
Do you feel proud, Tom?
Proud?
Proud means happy about what you do.
Yes, I feel proud.
That is wonderful.
Yes, I am proud of my new routine.
Can you tell me your new routine?
Yes. In the morning, wake up early, drink water, eat breakfast, exercise, think positive.
Good.
In the afternoon, short nap, study English, focus, Go outside. Talk to people.
Excellent.
In the evening, turn off TV. Read a book. Write in a diary. Relax. Sleep early.
Perfect, Tom. Now you have a full daily routine.
Full routine. Morning, afternoon, evening.
Yes, morning, afternoon, evening. All healthy.
Healthy for body. Healthy for mind.
Exactly.
Before, I was lazy.
Lazy means no energy.
Yes, lazy and tired.
And now,
Now, I am active.
active.
Active means I move. I do things.
Yes, active is the opposite of lazy.
Right. Now, I am active.
And calm.
Yes, calm. Calm means relaxed, not nervous.
Yes, relaxed, not nervous.
Calm in my mind, energy in my body.
That is the lesson, Tom.
Lesson?
Yes, daily routine can change your life.
Daily routine can change my life.
Exactly.
Thank you, Ashley.
You are welcome, Tom.
Today I learned many things.
And you practiced English too.
Yes, new words, new phrases.
Small steps, Tom. Big change.
Small steps, big change.
That's the end of today's story. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to From Me to English for more slow and clear English stories. And check the free PDF in the description to review the story, vocabulary, and practice exercises. Let's learn and grow together.